Ever felt like your finances are scattered all over the place? Like you're constantly logging into different banking apps, trying to get a clear picture of where your money is going? You're not alone. In today's world, with multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, managing your finances can feel like a full-time job. But what if there was a way to bring all of that information together in one place, giving you a complete overview of your financial health? That's where Emma comes in. Emma is a powerful financial management app designed to simplify your finances and help you take control of your money. And a core part of that is connecting your bank accounts. So, today, we're diving deep into exactly that. How do you connect your bank accounts to Emma? Before we jump into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why is connecting your bank accounts so important? Well, it's the foundation of Emma's functionality. By connecting your accounts, Emma can automatically track your spending, categorize your transactions, provide insights into your spending habits, and even help you budget more effectively. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Connecting your bank accounts to Emma is a straightforward process designed to be as user-friendly as possible. Whether you're on iOS or Android, the steps are generally the same. First things first, you'll need to download the Emma app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, open it and either log in if you have an existing account or create a new account. The sign-up process is quick and easy, requiring only basic information. Once you're logged in, you will usually be greeted with a welcome screen or a prompt to connect your accounts. If you don't see this immediately, look for a Connect Accounts button, often found on the main dashboard or within the settings menu. The exact location might vary slightly depending on the app version, but it's usually easily accessible. Tap on the Connect Accounts button. This will take you to a screen displaying a list of banks and financial institutions that Emma supports. Emma supports a wide range of banks, from major national institutions to smaller credit unions. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find your bank. Once you've located your bank, tap on it. This is where the secure connection process begins. Emma uses secure, read-only connections to access your transaction data. This means Emma can view your transactions but cannot make any changes to your accounts, ensuring the safety of your funds. You'll then be redirected to your bank's secure login page. This is crucial. You are interacting directly with your bank's website or app, not with Emma. This ensures your login credentials remain secure and are never shared with Emma. Enter your online banking username and password, just as you would when logging into your bank's website or app directly. You may also be asked to complete two-factor authentication, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. This adds an extra layer of security. After successfully logging in, your bank will ask for your permission to share your transaction data with Emma. Review the permissions carefully and then grant access. This is essential for Emma to function correctly. Once you grant permission, Emma will securely connect to your bank account and begin importing your transaction history. This process might take a few minutes, especially if you have a long transaction history. You'll typically see a progress bar indicating the import status. Once the import is complete, your transactions will be displayed within the Emma app. You can then start exploring Emma's features, such as transaction categorization, budgeting tools, and spending insights. Now, let's address some common questions and potential issues you might encounter. What if my bank isn't listed? If your bank isn't listed in Emma's supported banks, don't worry. Emma is constantly adding new banks. You can contact Emma's support team and request that your bank be added. In the meantime, you might explore manual transaction entry as a temporary workaround, although the automatic connection is definitely the preferred method. What if the connection fails? Sometimes, the connection process might fail due to technical issues, such as temporary outages at your bank or problems with the internet connection. If this happens, try again later. If the issue persists, contact Emma's support team for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the problem and get you connected. Is it safe to connect my bank accounts? Security is a top priority for Emma. As mentioned earlier, Emma uses secure, read-only connections and never stores your login credentials. The connection process happens directly between you and your bank, ensuring the highest level of security. Emma employs industry-standard encryption and security measures to protect your data. Can I connect multiple accounts? Absolutely. You can connect multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts to Emma. This gives you a truly holistic view of your financial situation. The process for connecting additional accounts is the same as connecting your first account. Simply go back to the Connect Accounts section and repeat the steps. What if I want to disconnect an account? If you ever need to disconnect an account from Emma, you can do so easily within the app settings. Look for an option to manage connected accounts or linked accounts. There, you can select the account you wish to disconnect and remove it. By connecting your bank accounts to Emma, you unlock the full potential of the app. You can finally see all your finances in one place, gain valuable insights into your spending habits, and take control of your financial future. It's a powerful tool that can make a real difference in how you manage your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.